I'm Nate Schwartz. I'm Director of Financial and Operational Analysis at KIPP DC. KIPP DC is a public charter school network in Washington, D.C. As of next school year, we'll be up to about 6,800 students. I'm part of a team of two, a subset of the finance team that runs our budgeting process, our financial tracking, financial analysis, financial forecasting. We had an elaborate array of spreadsheets that we were using, and in order for a budget lead to know how a school was tracking in a particular account, they would have to reach out to one of a few people who had a login. Not only did someone else have to get that data for you, but the data that they were pulling and sending over could be a month plus out of date. I would be the main guy that people would come to ask for just transactional data. Now we've got many dozens of people who can pull this data for themselves, and I can focus on higher level issues, strategy, adding more value to the finance team and the organization. So we're doing a lot of forecasting around our growth, and to do that in Excel and be able to appropriately build out that financial model and look at all of the different possible scenarios, just a real challenge to do that manually, and Vena allows us to leverage that platform in order to see an accurate financial picture of where we'll be